Hello and welcome to JRL Learning Hub, a channel dedicated to help CAD users, engineers and students. My name is Jason and I have 15 years mechanical design experience and have been teaching CAD and engineering subjects at higher national level since 2008. I enjoy helping people learn, which is why I started this channel. Okay, in this video we're going to look at the stretch command. If you've drawn an object too long or too short, you can adjust the length of that to your desired length by using stretch. So the sequence of steps for this is clicking on stretch. You'll then be asked by the software to select the part of the drawing to be stretched, so you go ahead and do that with a window. You press enter to tell Autocad that you've done that. It will then ask you to click a base point. Click on the base point and then select the point that you want to stretch to adjust the length. So let's get into the video. We'll do a number of examples of how we can use stretch. The first one we'll do is we'll stretch the ends of those two sections down. So we click on stretch. So from there we click our first point with the left hand mouse button to start the window off. We then take it across, making sure that we pick up both of the sections, encapsulating them completely, followed by another left hand click. Okay, it's selected the objects. Once we've done that, we press enter. It's now asking me in the command line to specify a base point. That means pick it up, so we can just click anywhere on the screen for this particular example. So I'm going to click there, and as you can see that if I move the mouse, the sections kind of wander about all over the place. If I press the F8 tool, that activates the ortho command, and ortho simply limits movement by vertically upwards and downwards, and obviously horizontally as well, left and right. So we can go up or we can go down. So I'm going to guide it downwards, and I'm going to type in just a number. Let's call it 15. So I type in 15, press enter, and the sections extend by that distance. So another way we can use stretch, if we wanted to stretch this section here so that that horizontal piece comes up perpendicular to these horizontal lines at the top there. So rather than sling a dimension on there and just check the height or do a distance between the points, we can just stretch it like this. So if we click on stretch, okay, we select the end. I'm going to take the dimension as well, because if I go there then the dimension will stay where it is, but if I encapsulate that also, then that dimension will also come up with it. So left hand button, press enter. We're going to use object snaps, and we're going to click on the end point there. Okay, it's now asking me for my second point. So we're going to use object snaps again, click on perpendicular, and then we're going to hover just near that line. And can you see that there's like a green L shape with a little square in the corner? That means perpendicular. So it's now waiting for me to click. If I click there, then it stretches that section up to that point. Another useful feature when you're stretching is the use of the CP feature. So if I click on stretch, and rather than do a window, a rectangular window inside that area there, I can do CP. Type in CP followed by the enter button, and then we can start just going in and picking where we want. That's not limiting us to a window. We can use pick points all over the place. So when you're happy with that, you've selected the area that you want to stretch, you press enter again, and let's pick our base point, and as you can see it's taking everything up together, so it's all proportionally correct, everything's related to each other. We just want to take the whole section whichever way you want to go. So let's type in 20, and there it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe for more videos.